Hello students. Today we are going to one step further. Dual effect and integrated accounts. This type of example also not given in your book. So please consider this example carefully. First, give dual effect and integrated accounts of the transactions. This is the basic of accountancy, friends. Start a business by rupees 31,000. In accountancy, every transaction has dual effect. One debit and second credit. So first effect, start a business. So cash comes in. Cash comes in business. So first integrated account is cash account. And who start the business? Owner start the business. So this cash of rupees 31,000 given by owner. So owner is giver. Owner is giver. Any cash, assets or materials invested in business is called capital. So second account is capital account. So friends, start a business by rupees 31,000. Cash comes in. First account is cash account. Owner is giver. Capital account. Second, weighing machine of rupees 1,500 purchase. Then types of transaction first. Cash transaction because person name is not given. So weighing machine. So weighing machine comes in. Machine comes in. And cash goes out. Fine. Purchase, weighing machine purchase, cash goes out. So first cash account. In cash transaction, cash account is common. Cash account. And weighing machine. Friends, you are not doing business of weighing machine. You are not doing business of weighing machine. Your business is other type of business. So weighing machine is your assets. And weighing machine, raw materials, those are called dead stock. So dead stock comes in. Dead stock account. Weighing machine is called dead stock. So dead stock account and cash account. Goods of 5,000 purchase. Purchase and cash goes out. The first account is cash. And goods comes in business. So goods, when goods comes in, it is considered as purchase. Purchase account. It is considered a purchase account. And goods comes in. Friends, when goods comes in, it is called purchase account. And when you purchase goods by cash, so cash goes out, so cash account. Goods of 20,000 purchased from the field. Here, person name is given. So it is credit transaction. And purchase, goods comes in. So when goods comes in, it is come purchase account. Here it is cash transaction, so not cash. Person name is given, so Nikhil account. So goods, you purchase goods, but giver of goods is Nikhil. So Nikhil is giver. So second account is Nikhil's account. Then sold goods of rupees 5,000, cash transaction. When you sold the goods, cash comes into you. So cash comes in. So it is first account is cash account, and goods goes out. Friends, when goods comes in, it is come purchase. When goods goes out, it is considered as sales account. Goods over 30,000 sold to Maya. Now it is cash transaction. Now sold to Maya. Person name is given. So credit transaction. You have sold the goods. The goods goes out. First, if a goods goes out, and when goods goes out, it is considered as always sales account. And you have sold the goods, and you have sold the goods to Maya. So Maya is the receiver. So Maya is receiver. Then salary paid to Suresh. So cash transaction. Salary paid to John, cash transaction, and paid in cash goes out. First account is cash account, and you have paid rupees 1,000 to Suresh for salary. So here person name is omitted, or ignore the name of person. When cash transaction is come, paid word use, cash transaction. Then for what you have paid the 1,000 rupees for salary, then salary expense occurred. Salary account. Dividend 500 rupees received, so cash comes in. Cash comes in. So first cash account, and cash received for dividend. Second, dividend. Income occur. So dividend account. Order is non-economic transaction friends. So there isn't any integrated account. Goods of 5,000 given to purchase machine. So machine comes in. It is exchange transaction friends, and goods goes out. When goods goes out, it is sales for you, so sales account, and machine comes in machine account. Notice also friends, non-economic transaction. So friends, last time we have discussed about the type of transaction, cash transaction, credit transaction or exchange transaction. Now today we are going further two points, dual effect and integrated account. Practice makes the perfect. We have to practice this type of example more and more so you can get hold in the main subject of your commerce accountancy. Thank you. We will carry on next time.